In this video I want to talk briefly about our new garden equipment Facebook page. So let's go to Facebook. Let's click on here. So it's called Everything for the Garden. We have no followers, following 27 people. Now the reason I've called it Everything for the Garden is I have a website on garden machinery and more of a garden website. So we have the garden equipment website here, which is on garden tools and equipment and horticultural and landscaping equipment. And then I just have a website here with plants and flowers on, which actually needs some work done. But my aim is to incorporate both of these sites on the platform. So there's very little on here at the moment because it was literally set up less than 24 hours ago. But I will be using it to promote the website, and if you want to be the first follower and follow the page, that's great. But we're here to share more things about gardening, about garden machinery, horticultural machinery and forest machinery. If you've got any comments on this video, please feel free to leave a comment. I'm here to help. Thanks very much for watching.